You are currently holding a gold mine in your hand, but you are using your data to watch people dance, while others are using theirs to build empires. The internet does not care where you live, it only cares about what you can produce. Stop saying there are no jobs. The old jobs are dying, but new doors are opening. Today in the class of builders, I will show you how to use AI to work for international companies from your bedroom and get paid in dollars. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it is a get-skilled-fast strategy. AI is not coming to take your job. It is coming to be your employee. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write professional sales scripts or Midjourney to create world-class designs. You don't need a 4-year degree, you just need to know how to talk to the machine. A client in New York does not care if you are in Lagos, Nairobi, or Johannesburg. They only care about the result. When you use AI to do the work of a whole agency, you become a high-value builder. You are no longer competing with your neighbor for small change. You are competing with the world for real money. But listen to me clearly, the money follows the skill. If you chase the dollars without mastering the tool, you will fail. Build your competence in silence. Let your delivery do the shouting. One good client in the US can pay you more in a week than some people earn in a year. The difference between the person who stays poor and the one who builds is one thing: discipline. Are you going to keep scrolling for entertainment, or are you going to start prompting for production? The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. Here is your assignment. Go and find one AI tool today. Master it. If you are ready to stop making excuses and start building, type skill in the comments. Subscribe for the full masterclass series. This is the Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.